Welcome to Hasta Creations. In this video I'll show you how to make a single pattern by connecting the dots as well as going around the dots. So for this I'm using gel pens. So one is green, another one pink. You can use any other color. So first I'm taking the green one. So I'm going to put 7 dots. They are at equal distance and along the straight line. So the next line at the same distance, I'm going to put dots by putting 1 dot each between the 2 dots like this. 1, 2, 3, 6. So I'll go to one more line below. 1, 2, and I will end with 4 dots. One more line. In the same way I had to go to the top and repeat like I did below. So I'm going to the middle point. So, and from here I go to these 2 points, dots, and I will take 1, 2, 3, then make a curve, join them all around. So I'm going to the middle, join these 2 and go to the opposite side like that. One more here, one more here. So this looks like a flower. So I'm using these points 3, 4, 5, 6, and just along this point I'm picking these 2 dots, and make like a leaf pattern all around. So I'll put some small lines inside to make them look like leaves. So I pick these dots again. You can call points also. So make pattern like this. Now I'm taking the pink gel pen. So I will start with these dots again for points. So I'm going to connect 1, 2, 3. You can connect in straight line if you want, or even like a curve. It has to be inside the green line, in green curves. So I'll leave some space here, then do 2 lines. So let us darken them. So I will make one more like this in between these 2 green. One is good enough because there is not much space in between. So you can go to the middle, pick this dot, and treating these as petals of the flower. So we will draw straight lines like for each one. each petal. 3 or 4, as much as you can fit in. You can put a circle at the center. I think you can fit in one more here, one more here, and maybe here. Yeah. So now I'm going to use the green gel pen. So I'm going to pick these 2 dots now and going to the middle of these 2 dots. I will go like this, go around the dots. Instead of connecting the dots, I'm going around them. So same here. So the pattern is ready. Thanks for watching.